this thing, how come it broke so easily? And then like,
How can you get drenched?
it has no end.
Is it pouring out of water or air?
It's full of water.
Would you get me? Ass.
I can't lift it up.
Dude, throw it out the
Throw it
window.
outside.
Yeah, throw it out the window. Hold on.
Try out the fucking
It
window.
was so funny.
Check it out on the sidewalk. Watch out, Brent. Ooh.
What?
Check it out on the sidewalk.
No, why don't you build more?
The bones.
So dark. It's like not that leaking that much either. I thought it would explode hard.
Or maybe it was the mouth.
Dog bones look ginormous right now. Alright, I'm just gonna stop.